Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be playing some Tower of Fun, Tower of Fun is basically just like a game where you play. It's just like Tower of Hell. You try to win and get to the top. And try not to die and try not to touch the glowing things. That's it. It's all fun. Okay, so we could probably just I hate this level. Anyways, I hate this level. Honestly, it's kinda easy, so probably this is why I hate it. Oh, haha. That was super easy. My hand just slipped. Definitely not my fault. Cool, but I'm trying not to die here. I don't even know what I'm doing at this point. It's just, I guess, probably better if I was just playing some maze zombies. Oh, how did I die? I didn't even touch it. I did not fall off right away. I did not just. I didn't even touch it. It only has one side. But I figured that out. Only figured that was one side. There was a lot of people going this side, so I decided to go in there. So, how the hell did I die? I didn't even touch it. I think it's that thing that made me actually manifest my that. Why am I back here? Back in the boom ba boom ba boom ba boom. Back in the I just jumped really high. Will it save me? Okay, there's a new thing right now. So oh, what's this? This level, the level that I probably just hate so much. Cut it. I don't want to be in this level anymore because why am I forcing myself to play this game? Oh my gosh, this game is literally this level is literally super hard and I can't. And if I have to tell you something, this game is pretty much hard. It's not harder than Tower of Hell, but it's hard, hard to play. And I really tried to fall off. Definitely was not my intention. Oh, another skinny set. I thought we got over skinny sets. Okay, not this one. Wait, this. What do I have to do? They have to do this. We really have to go through this. Okay. Only if someone would actually. I think this game had the hide player thing before it was popular, so Like, yeah. No, I don't want to buy that. If I ever want to buy that, no. Okay. Where am I supposed to go? Oh, it's this way. Stop trying to distract me, little boy. Anyways, this is basically the race of who's ever first, I think. You basically just I don't know, kid. How did I not put my screen there? I basically just put my screen, that's it. Cool. Just have to go through it. Go through it. Boy. Just go through it. Nah. This is like one of the colors these are one of the colors in the game that are basically matching, and it's just bright, and I don't like it, and I don't like the bright. Ooh, Tower Half, lol. Just got a badge from Tower Half. That's great, I think. I use these games like basically don't know what I'm doing, and I play this like only like 3 times or something. Except for the fact that I played this when I was like without anyone. Not like any. And the fact that I got free every server from this, like every server when no one was playing at that point because it was like a glitch or something. Am I supposed to go here? Oh, I'm supposed to go there. I'm really that dumb. Huh. Quirky. Oh my god, it's so quirky. I think it's trash to do something that you don't want to do, but you do it anyways. Yeah. Did I just get scolded in the boat? Okay. Thank you. Okay, that lag was basically what I hated so much. But you know, I decided to go through that lag and just did what I wanted to basically do. Anyways, this is just super laggy. I don't know why. Maybe my internet, maybe not my internet. I'm definitely not raging right now and trying to. Okay, but the fact I have my earphones on. Oh. Well, playing this game is basically not that helpful, but like, whatever. This is the high risk. Boom, boom, shakalaka, boom, boom, shakalaka. There's a lot of high risks here. Okay, I'm trying to actually play this game and I'll fail, but it's going absolutely wrong. Well, I'm almost at the top, I think. Oh my god. Ugh. Okay, so why am I thinking this right now? Okay. absolutely not getting it. Okay, so it's basically my fault. Day and night, though. Date sa. This is one's cold. So I think I'm strong. Well, I'm not, anyways. Oh, I'm actually at the top. Oh, that's surprising. Now. Oh, anyways, am I actually at the top? Why is there no me up there? Or is that gemstone or something? Or is it not me? Or is it me? Is it like, oh, that's me. Oh, we have like 50 seconds left. So like,
Ano na lang. Pero may bread dyan, oh. Masarap po na. May sugar. Isa. Yan.
okay, I am mentally not prepared. Gosh, anyways, bye.